In today's video, I'm going to show you how to set the logo on Epson TM-T88VI and 6 printers. So the first step, you have to make sure that you have these utilities. You can download from the Epson website. I will put the URL in the description box. If you want to upload a logo on TM885, then you have to run this utility. On the other hand, if you have TM-T88VI, you have to run this utility. So simply just install this. After installation, open this utility. So here you have to add the port. In my case, it's already there, and then click OK. Here you go. This is the main interface of this utility. All you need to do is just expand the basic settings, and then the first option is storing logos. Here, as you can see, I have already saved one logo. I will delete it and I will upload it again. To upload the logo, click on add, select the logo, and here you can resize it. So make sure your brightness and density is full dark so that your logo appears darker on your guest checks. Then click OK. Again click OK, and then we will click the test print. So here you go. The logo is printed on the checks. Again we will click yes. Stored successfully. Click OK. And that's it. To connect the printer with your desktop computer or laptop, it's simple. You can use this USB serial cable. The second is the power cable which comes along with your printer box. So that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.